It's Wednesday. Welcome to our Wednesday Wellness Tip. Today's physical tip is about the importance of being hydrated. So I want to talk about water and how important it is to get enough water. It's interesting to think that 60 to 70% of our bodies are made up of water. Synchronistically, 60 to 70% of the earth is made up of water. And again, I find that very interesting. So it's really important that we drink water every day. I talk to people every day about this, and many say, oh, I can't drink water because if I drink water, then I'm in the bathroom all the time. And what's interesting is that that may be true initially, but as you increase your hydration, you'll find that you're not in the bathroom all the time, that you will go just the average amount that everybody else. But you have to get your body rehydrated to get to that point. So how much water should we drink? And again, this is not totally defined, but it's discussed a lot. And many practitioners encourage people to drink half of their weight in ounces per day. So for me, that would mean that I would drink 60 to 65 ounces a day. And I like to change my water up. So in other words, especially in the summer, I like to add maybe some cucumber slices to it. Or lemon is always good to add to it. Lime is always good. I like to even put fruit in water. Maybe orange slices or strawberries. It just adds a nice taste to it. So that's one way to get enough water. Another thing I want to point out is that we learned from our guru, Sadhguru. He encourages to always put water into a copper pot. So this pot, the inside of this is copper. And if you allow the water to be in this for 30 minutes, it changes the molecular structure. And if you leave it in overnight, then the water becomes very silky and it's just much more pleasant to drink. So those are tips that may help. Here at home and also at the office, we use a water machine that helps to filter out any bacteria. It also oxygenates the water and changes the pH. So we usually drink water that has an alkaline pH that we found to have some health benefits. And the last thing I want to point out is we heard a wonderful lecture on the hidden messages of water by Dr. Masaru Emoto. He wrote the book on hidden messages from water. And he proved that water was a living organism, because he proved that even our thoughts and words about water made a difference in the molecular structure. So he would have people to hold their glass of water and then, just pray into the water or just appreciate the water. And literally the molecular structure of it would change. So this beautiful molecule here is appreciation and gratitude for the water. He proved this by also doing the opposite, and he had people say a negative thing to the water, and the molecular structure was very discombobulated and almost ugly. So a good habit, drink plenty of water, but also before you drink it, just really appreciate it and be thankful for everything it's doing for your body. So that's our physical tip for today.